If you are determined to be 50% at fault, then technically you're only allowed to recover 50% of your damages. Hi, my name is Kevin Roach, and I'm a Missouri personal injury lawyer. Can I recover compensation if I'm partially at fault in a Missouri car accident case? That's a common question that people have. The answer is yes and no. Missouri follows pure comparative negligence or comparative fault, meaning your recovery is going to be reduced by the percentage of fault that's attributed to you. If you are determined to be 50% at fault, then technically you're only allowed to recover 50% of your damages. For instance, if your case is worth $100,000 and you're 50% at fault for the accident, you will only be able to recover $50,000 instead of $100,000. Missouri's comparative negligence law can significantly affect your ability to recover damages in Missouri. If you're partially at fault for an accident, it can oftentimes reduce the amount of your recovery, but not always. Sometimes your damages are so high that you're still able to recover the maximum amount of insurance. So if your damages are much higher than the insurance policy and you're partially at fault, many times you can still recover all of the insurance that's available. In order to prove comparative fault in Missouri, some of the steps you can look at to determine fault are, first off, you want to look at the police report. If the police report cites one driver, for instance, going too fast or illegal lane usage, that means they're typically at fault. Sometimes, in many cases, you can also get video either from a dash cam of your vehicle or another car or a business to further prove fault. In many cases, usually commercial accidents, we're also able to get a download of the ECM card, or it's commonly referred to as a black box. We do that in truck accident cases, and it will show exactly how fast the vehicle was going, and that's a way to prove that they were 100% at fault or maybe partially at fault if they were just going slightly over the speed limit. If you or a family member have been involved in an accident and there's a question about who's at fault in the accident, it's very important to contact an attorney quickly while evidence is still available. Your attorney can do a thorough investigation, can get an investigator, we can subpoena information, we can request information to thoroughly prove up who's at fault. If you wait too long, then it can be a lot harder to get this information. So it's important, if you or a family member have an accident where liability is an issue, to contact an attorney as soon as possible.